Hello everyone. Today, we are going to be walking through my random password generator program that I have made in C# on Visual Studio 2013. The program is not that complex, but we will still go through it in detail. When we start the program, we are introduced to a very simple user interface, containing the title, a read-only text box, and the generator button. In addition, there are two more buttons that I hidden from the start, discard and save button, that will give the user a chance to choose whenever to save or discard the password. Once we click generate, the program generates us a random password that mixes upper and lowercase, symbols and numbers, and furthermore special characters. Then the January button is disabled and the user is given the choice to either save or discard the password. For this example, we'll press discard. That will clear our text box and enable the generated button. And if we click save, we will get a message box telling us the password is saved. And if we were to check this, we would close the program and see our password text file, where we have the passwords which we have saved. Now that we have seen how the program works outside, let's dive in and see how it works inside. First of all, we create a list called password that will contain the random generated password. We also showed the pathway to the text box that the passwords are going to be saved in. And lastly, we create a string called raw password. It will represent the final password. As the program starts, we hide all the unnecessary buttons. When the general button is clicked, the code imports the random function and then chooses a random character 8 times from the array called all characters, which contains all the numbers lowercase, uppercase, and so on, and adds it to the password list. Going next, using the joint function, we join all the characters in the past with list and show it to the user in the read-only text box. We also assign the raw password variable to be the newly generated password. As you can see, we then show all the necessary buttons, yes and no. They represent discard or and save password. If we click no, the program kind of restarts. However, if we click save password, using the file path, we will add on our new raw pulse to that file and display the message box. Hopefully all of this made sense. Thank you for listening.